The last video, this is important. I had the headphones in and the sound didn't work for some reason. Look, the bird that I swear I know it because I studied this suit for years ever since I became obsessed with the black suit in Ultimate Spider-Man on PS2, right? Look, you see how it glows, right? You see how the bone glows, the cartilage glows? Like silverish, white silverish, like the spider logo. This bird has the suit. This bird has the symbiote suit. Is a host, wherever that creature may be. Now look, I think Ed Senior brought this here for us to study here. Eddie Brock Senior brought this here. Father, aloha. Look, check out, watch. This is amazing. Listen to music and study. And remember, as for me and my house, we are Venom.